Hello, this is Jim, your Commission Canon coach, and I wanted to show you how Commission Canon works. Of course, it's an iPhone app. You just download it from the iPhone store, and then the first thing you want to do is go ahead and set up your profile. You can do that by just going to Profile, and you can enter things like your email address and other pieces of information. You can upload your picture. You just click on the picture and you can either take a photo or choose a photo. If you choose a photo, you're just going into your camera roll and picking a picture. Let's make it this picture. You can move it around and then choose it. That becomes your new profile picture. So once you have your profile in, there's 4 or 5 menu items that you can do. Dashboard, organize. What I recommend is you do organize, motivate, get paid first, then look at your dashboard. So in organize, one of the first things you're going to want to do is synchronize with Salesforce. This is an automatic synchronization with Salesforce. The first time it'll ask you for your password and ID, and then after that you can decide what to download, your pipeline, your closed deals, your accounts, your contacts. Once you say update, this logs into Salesforce and takes all of the current data in Salesforce and downloads it to the Commission Canon system. Then you would have information in accounts. These are straight down from Salesforce. You'd have information in your contacts, and on contacts you can do things like dial them directly. It'll go right to phone and call that contact. You can also map where the contact is at. So it's a bit of a handy app for just using your contacts and accounts in Salesforce. You can see once you have the contact or account information in there, it's available for all your standard iPhone apps. Then you're going to want to go to Commission Plans and get your plans in there. You would hit the plus key if you were doing one for the first time. I've already started on one, and you can see you can give it a title, a base, and a target. We recommend that you take pictures of your commission plan. So you can see there's a plan photo here, and if you don't have one, you just hit a little plus here and do take photo. You would put your commission plan there and just capture it in a photo. Then you can use that, and what you can see is that then is in your Commission Canon system as a picture that you can use later to look at your plan and remind you what you have in your plan. So you can see that picture is now up there. So once you have your commission plan in and you hit save, then you would, it'll say saved. Then the next thing I would recommend is you put some targets in there. Targets are what do you get if you sell something. So this one has $1 million target amount. The percent is 6% as an example, and you can put other information about your target, save it. Once you have your targets in there, you can also add accelerators. Accelerators go from the target upwards. Remember that was $1 million target. This would tell you that you get an accelerator at $1.1 million up to $2 million. Now instead of 6%, you're going to get 8%, just as an example. So once you got your accelerators in there, I would go to other commission items. We have to make cold calls or set meetings. For instance, this one says set meetings. You have 50 meetings you have to set. If you set them, you get $50,000, just as an example. So really what you're doing is putting your commission plans into the system so it can organize for you. Motivate allows you to prioritize tactics, so you can enter tactics in and prioritize them. It has a set of quotes. It has a set of rewards. You can put rewards into the system. So if I want to make a new reward, I would choose a photo. For instance, if I'm going to buy myself a new Mercedes, I would take a picture of that Mercedes in the showroom and say save it. Say new car is the reward. If I can type. And then your new car, I love Apple's typing. Your new car is in there, and let's say you get that when you sell $500,000. Now this could be a reward that you're giving yourself or a reward that the company gives you. Commission Canon doesn't care. So you can see a new printer and a new car. It keeps track of your rewards. You can add more by hitting the plus there. Once you got your rewards entered, you can also look at sales tips. These are selling tips. One comes up each day, a tip or a quote on your dashboard. And then again, you can enter tactics around any commission plan. So again, what you're trying to do in Commission Canon is organize all of your plans, your tactics, and everything about your commission plan, so you'll have it in one handy place. Get paid allows you to get a list of actuals that are sold, so you can remind yourself and email this to accounting. You can set reminders to ask accounting about things that are paid. It also has a calculator in there that you can use while you're inside your commission plan. Finally, you can share information about your plan or the fact that you're using Commission Canon with others. And there's many ways to contact us for support. The best one is support at Commission Canon. This would be the way that you would get to your commission coach, which is something we offer as a service. If you have any questions about how to use Commission Canon or how to do good on your plan, you just call Commission Canon. The last thing I want to show you is the dashboard. The dashboard has period to date. This is on the top, your commissions, the green here. It shows what you've actually sold and gotten commissions for, what your goal was, and any accelerators. Same thing for revenues, what you sold, what your goal is, and accelerators. It has a quote and a sales tip that shows up here every day, a new one, your picture is up there. Then you got period to date, you got month to date. Month to date does the same thing, just graphically by months. And then other are things like those other commission plan items, your tactics, and your reminders. That's a short video on how to use Commission Canon. Thanks.